Going to discuss to solve one problem. Here, the problem is an object is placed in front of a concave mirror at a distance of 10 centimeters of focal length 4 centimeters. Find the image distance and write the characteristics. From that, first we have to write the data, what values we have in the given problem. Then, coming to the data, first we have object distance. Object distance they mentioned as 10 centimeters. Then you should take 10 centimeters. Then here we should use the sign convention, because without sign convention we can't solve the problem in right method and to get the right answer. For that, every object distance in concave mirror or convex mirror, that should be negative. For that I take in negative. Next we have focal length of concave mirror. So focal length value we should take the value as 4 centimeters as per given data, right? Then here concave mirror's focal length is always negative. I already implemented the sign convention. Then we are going to find out the image distance. V value we have to find. Then I use the mirror formula. It is 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. Then you should be able to substitute the values. Here f value is 4, means 1 by 4, that having minus sign. Then that is equals, here v value we have to find out. Then u value take it as it is 1 by 10 minus. Then plus into minus 1 by 10. 1 by v is as it is, that is equal to we have minus 1 by 4. Here we should take this value to the right side. Then we can able to get 1 by 10 minus 1 by 4, that is equals to v. Take the LCM. So to know the LCM, what is the minimum number which are able to cancel these two terms? Here 10 is having a value and 4 is having the value. 10 2s are 20, 4 5s are 20. So that is the LCM, the number. So here 20 is the LCM number. Then 10 will cancel the 20 with 2 times, and 4 will cancel the 20 with 5 times, that is equals 1 by v. Then 2 minus 5 is equal to minus 3 by 20, that is equals to v. Then v value we are going to write minus 20 by 3. Here we are familiar how to do such type of problems. 3, 6, 18, we can able to get 2 as reminder. Here point will come. When you given the point, ultimately it should download the 0. Here 3, 6 again 18, again 2 is the reminder. From this we can able to get 6.6. Then sign negative, sign negative. Then what is the v value? V is equal to minus 6.6 centimeters. Then from the data we should verify with the diagram. So I take in concave mirror, object distance is 10 centimeters. So here object distance is 10 centimeters. Then we have focal length. Focal length is only 4 centimeters. See, only focal length is. Then easy to identify. Object distance is 10 centimeters. Focal length is 4 centimeters. Double of focal length is radius of curvature. Simply 2f value or r value is 2 into 4, that is 8 centimeters. So object is at 10 centimeters and radius of curvature is at 8 centimeters. That indicates object is beyond C. Then ultimately we can able to get a simple way to notice the image. The image must be between f and c. F and c. So here you got the image value as minus 6.6 centimeters. Here object distance is minus 10 centimeters. Ultimately radius of curvature value is minus 8 centimeters. The 6.6 is a lesser value when you compare with 8 centimeters. Then ultimately the image is between f and c. Or you got the comparison whether you did the right way of problem or not. It is simply identified with the drawing of diagram. Then ultimately the characteristics are, it is real image and inverted image and very small one or diminished one, and finally it is having the position between F and C. These are the four characteristics of particular given problem's image. Right children? Understand?